Welcome back to my channel! So for today's episode, meron na naman tayong bagong unboxing. So sorry papakita yung address ko. As if naman na curious kayo kung saan ako nakatala. Anyways, so ready ako, meron na akong pambukas. So again, this is from Try and Review. So buksan na natin siya. So, libre lang po to. This is a sponsored video. So, thank you, Try and Review, kasi na-shortlisted ako. Hindi ako nag-apply, pero pinadala nila ako ng link. So, minsan, nagpapadala sila ng link, babayaran mo muna, or order ka muna, tapos i-reimburse na lang nila. Once na natanggap mo na or may review ka na dun sa product. So, ayan siya. So, as of right now, naka-sale ito ng 88 pesos plus shipping fee. So, overall, parang 124 pesos. So, ayan siya. So, ayan. So, this is Palmolive Naturals Anti-Dandruff Scalp Hair. So, bagay na bagay siya kasi dahil mainit ngayon, marami sa atin ang nag-dandruff. So, ayan. Open natin siya. So, meron siyang tea tree oil and clay. So, talagang ano siya, sealed na sealed. So, spray natin siya just to make sure na siya ay malinis. So, okay, so 0% paraben, glutens, phthalates, and dyes. So, natural siya and anti-dandruff and scalp hair. Be your most beautiful every day with Palmolive Naturals, best formula ever. It combines the goodness of nature and hair care science, proven to make your hair dandruff-free. Enjoy sensational fragrant hair throughout the day. Infused with 100% natural and tea tree oil and clay. So, infused with Vitazole, clinically proven to help remove 100% dandruff. So, buksan natin siya. Color white siya, if you can see. Amoy, mabango siya, in fairness. Amoy natural, alam mo yung amoy na best fragrant, natural fragrance ever. So, amoy natural siya. Amoy botanical. Mabango siya. Nakaka-addict yung amoy. Anyways, simple lang naman siya. Ayan. So, save water, ganyan. 180 ml siya. So, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit kasi syempre kabubukas ko lang. Ayan. Maganda naman yung color niya. Ano bang color to? Parang blue. Blue na papunta na siyang purple. So, ayan siya. So, mukha naman siyang maganda. Marami siyang laman. Hindi naman siya yung parang hangin lang. So, mabigat-bigat naman siya. So, that's it. That's my unboxing with Try and Review. Thank you, Try and Review, for sending me this one. So, hintayin ko na lang yung refund ko. So, ang ginagamit ng Try and Review for refund is Pioneer. So, from Pioneer to GCash. So, that way, makaka-save din. Kasi, biruin mo, sayang din to. Mga ilang araw din gamitan, libre lang din naman. So, ayun. So, again, thank you for watching. Sorry, medyo maikli lang yung mga videos ko as of right now. Sana, like nyo pa rin. Kahit mag-dislike, okay lang. Subscribe to my channel and see you again next time. Ciao!